Hi, my name is Hasindu and I am from Sri Lanka. So today I am going to teach you how to configure JDownloader without any problems. Uh, I'll do A to Z complete steps to get to know how to configure JDownloader. So first of all, you need to have two softwares to complete your scenario. That means first you need to have Java package, because most of the softwares today we have is using Java technology, and you need to have Java platform to run that software. So you need to download Java, and also you need to download JDownloader from the internet. So let's see how we can get those softwares. So you can go to Google simply and search for the software. First I'm going to search for Java. From the search result, the first link is given by java.com, so you can go to that site and get the free Java download software. So from this link you can get Java package. Download this and install it to your computer. So next thing you want is you need JDownloader. So again you can go to Google. From that one also, the first link is given by jdownloader.org. So go to that site. Then go to this download tab. In this page you can see there are a lot of versions to download JDownloader. This means Windows version that supports Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7. This is Linux version, that means Ubuntu, Kubuntu and Fedora like etc. This is Mac version, Apple software, and other versions. So you don't need to know about that much of this. So you need to download Windows version if you are using Windows user. If you are Linux user, you download Linux version. So I am a Windows XP user, so I am going to download Windows version. Just click on this button. Then you can see there are 4 links which is given you. So first link will give you the web installer. That means if you download this exe file, you need to have internet connection every time when you are installing the software. If you download this exe file, that means second link, this is offline installer. That means you don't need any internet connection to install this software, but the file capacity of this exe file is much higher than the first one. So I recommend you to download the second link, because every time, otherwise if you download first link, every time you install the software you need to have internet connection. I'm not going to download now because I already have the software in my computer. So just please click the download Windows offline installer link and it will give you the exe file, then install it to your computer. So I will show you how to install the software also. So this is the software you get after downloading the after downloading from that link. Simply open it and you will get the install sheet wizard. Just remember, before you install this JDownloader exe, you need to have to install to your computer that Java package. Simply click next. Simply click next. Then give you whatever the folder location that you want to install the software. So click next and don't change, no need to change these options. Just keep it as it is, then click next. This, please give this full installation. These choices are dependent on your choice. This will take little bit time, so let's wait. So my JDownloader setup is completed. This will give you the message, then click OK. So this is the final step of installing JDownloader. So after you completing the installation, just click finish. So it will open the JDownload after installation. So let's keep waiting. Just simply select the language which you are using. I'm using English, so I use English. And this is what is your download directory. So I'm going to keep it as it is. This means the default download directory. So I'm going to change it to C somewhere. Let's see what. So sorry, D. I'm going to create a new folder and rename as J downloading. Okay, then click OK. Simply click OK. So if you have the latest version, uh, it will not give any message to download the updates. Normally when you are using the software, after 2 or 3 days it will give you a message called new update is available and you need to download or not. I recommend you to download the new updates because it will help to keep the software in most compatible manner and very reliable manner. So just click OK after installing. So the first thing you want to do is you need to configure your router to reconnect automatically when the one link is downloaded. So let's see how we can do it.
Okay, uh, I hope you all have JDownloader to your computers. So now we are going to configure our reconnection script. First of all, you need to get your router IP address. For that purpose, you need to click this fetch router IP icon. Okay, now we have our router IP address here. This is my router IP address, and after that you need to select what is the router type of you are using your router. You don't need to go one by one from this list, just you need to type what is the type of your router. My one is TP link 8811, so I'm going to type TP and it will give you all the TP links routers. So this is my one 8811. Click OK. Choose your router type from that list. After that, you need to click this create reconnection script. You can see there is a reconnection script has been built there. So this create reconnection script will record your uh, reconnection details of your router. Just click on this button to record your router settings. It will give you this dialog box called reconnection recorder. Don't change anything here, just click start button. After that it will open your browser. Normally uh, the default browser will be open. Okay, this is my one. In here you need to type your uh, router login details. That means you need to, if you need to log into your router, you have to use username and password. It will provide by the uh, original manufacturer of the router. If you haven't changed anything, the default username and password is username is admin and the password also admin. I haven't changed my password and username, so I'm going to change my default one, admin and admin. Just click OK. Here we go. So it will ask, do you want to remember this password and username? If you like to remember it, just click remember. That depends on your choice. So in here we need to restart our router by the browser itself, but not from the manually from the switch button. No, not from the uh, switch button. So I'm going to uh, restart my router by browser clicking. This depends on your router type. What is the type you are using? So my one is here. Find your one. Where is your one? Just click save or reboot. From here I'm going to click save or reboot button. It will take some time and it will give you a message, router settings has been saved, and you need to close your browser for 2 minutes. After that you can log into your browser again. So router will be restarted and your internet connection will be also discarded. So you have see that. So I'm going to close my browser. So this is telling close the ADSL router for configuration of window for 2 minutes before reopening your browser. If necessary, configure UIP blah blah blah. So it doesn't mean anything. You just need to close your browser for 2 minutes. I'm going to close my one. So you can see it is recording still. Just keep the eye on this smiley icon and this your current IP address. These two are very important for you. Let's see what will happen after reconnecting our router. The smiley is not colored yet. It's black and white. Let's see what will happen after reconnecting the router. You will have to wait some time. That depends on your internet connection also. So these days my internet connection is a little bit slow. Okay, here we go. We got the message called reconnection was successful. Save now. You have configured your JDownloader to reconnect it automatically, and you need to save these settings. Just click yes. Okay, we have done the configuration settings. Now you are free to download any link, any amount of links without uh, by downloading one by one. So I'm going to show you how to download those things. If you are interested in changing the color and user interface, you can simply go to user interface, and there are a lot of options here. Language, style, there are some styles here. You can choose something here and make it feel better, like black skin, no white skin, no something like that. So I'm not going to do that now. I'm going to show you how to add files. Simply go to your browser. Okay, just go for google.com. I'm from Sri Lanka, so I'm going to google.lk. But I'm in internet connection, always like this. The most popular site is FileStream. From that, you can get many file server accounts, file sonic links, rapid share links, like etc. So I'm going to go to FileStream. This is the site. Go for it. Okay. Now I'm going to get a simple, very small amount, very small size file to download and show you how it's going to work. So I'm going to download, I don't know, just I Internet Download Manager. Let's see. Manager 6 full version. Okay, we got some links here. So normally the media filings are very, I mean, what we call very good for download. Sometimes file sonic links are very bad. I mean, sometimes they are broken. These are very accurate. That's the correct word. Uh, so go for that link. Click on the Internet Download Manager and full version. You can search for anything you want. Okay, here we go. I got the link from mediafire.com. So if you have already opened your JDownloader, when you select this whole link and right click, then give copy, it will already added to the queue. So you don't need to add manually. So uh, the JDownloader, what we call JDownload link grabber, will grab your link from the right click and it will automatically add it to the JDownloader. So this is a good example for not dead link. That means file has been deleted or file has been expired or something like that. You can't delete this file, so I have to remove this file. Simply right click and remove. There are so many options. If you have so many dead links, remove all offline. So I have only one, no matter what will happen. So I need to go for another thing. So I got some another link, Windows XP. Let's see what will give this one. Just try click on it when the JDownloader is open. Then go to JDownloader. Okay, unchecked. It is checking whether the link is dead or not. Link is online. That means you can download this link. Just simply click on this start download. So what? Let's see. The TOS filesonic.com have been not been read and accepted. This means only one time you have to check this check the box. That means you have they are asking whether you are accepting the terms of service from the site or not. Just you need to tick on this I accept the terms of service, then click OK. So it will take some time, and you can see the status is connecting. After it is connecting, the link will start to download. So the advantage of this JDownload is, if we are using normal browsing, we can't download parallel downloads. So that means at the same time you can't download Mediafire, FileSonic, FileServe, like that. You can't keep eye on it. You can keep the eye on every link. So here we don't care about links. So just you can add all the links to here, and you can mind your own business. That means you can eat, you can drink, whatever thing you want, you can sleep. So there are some interesting options here. uh, you can set this to automatically shut down, likewise. So I think you got some so here also good point. This link is only for premium users, so you can't download it. So if you are, if yeah, there's a very important thing. Go to settings tab, and you can see here password and logins. From there you can see unraw extract access. So if you have usernames or passwords, if you are a premium user, you can just add all your passwords and usernames here. So example, here they have given you example. Just give the whatever the site, rapidshare.com or something, then give username and give password. Nothing is difficult. So likewise you can give all the usernames and passwords you have. Then you don't need to give one by one. So when you are inserting a link to a JDownloader, it will check whether it is from a premium account or not. So if it is from a premium account, so it will start automatically, and it will reduce the bandwidth or the download bandwidth from your account. So I think you have got something. Hope you have understand what I told, though my English knowledge is pretty much bad, not very fun. So thanks for watching this video tutorial. If you have some problems, please uh, feel free to comment on my video or just email me. See you next time. Goodbye.